Hello, I'm Paul from Pro-Pipe Industries. I was just going to demonstrate installing 2-inch gas line on our pipe supports where one person can quite easily install it. As we have the pipe supports in place, we drop the gas line on the pipe supports, line them up, go over, and very simply thread up the gas line, and we have no worry about the gas line walking off the end of the pipe support at the other end, where that is generally always an issue when we're putting it on square blocks or wood blocks. As you can see, it's already threaded in, and simply tighten it up with your pipe branches, secure the clamps that are supplied with each pipe support, and your job is simply completed there.